Scout Automobile, welcome to Start. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than just a car, it's a soulful resurrection of a design icon. Volkswagen has dared to bring back one of the most beloved silhouettes of the 20th century, merging nostalgic design with modern-day innovation. It's not just retro for the sake of retro, it's a reimagination, a bold reinterpretation that honors the past while racing into the future. The original Karmann Ghia, produced from the mid-1950s through the 1970s, was celebrated for its timeless design, handcrafted bodywork by Karmann, and the Italian design flair courtesy of Ghia. It was essentially a Beetle underneath, but with a suit tailored by artisans. Fast forward to 2026, and that same spirit is alive, but now it's wrapped around a modern platform, cutting-edge technology, and electric performance that transforms this beauty into a true performer. The 2026 version retains the classic Karmann Ghia proportions, low slung, elegantly curved, with smooth flowing lines that make it instantly recognizable. But every detail has been sharpened, refined, and enhanced. The headlights now boast matrix LED technology encased in round housings that mimic the original's classic look. The front fascia is minimalistic, with a hint of aggression thanks to slim air intakes and sculpted contours. Volkswagen has introduced a modern light bar stretching across the rear, subtle yet futuristic, glowing with confidence. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that mixes vintage charm with high-end sophistication. The dashboard has soft curves and chrome accents that call back to the original, but here you'll also find a large, curved OLED display that seamlessly integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system. Touch-sensitive controls, haptic feedback, and customizable ambient lighting ensure that everything feels sleek and contemporary. Underneath this gorgeous body is VW's advanced MEB Evo electric platform, the same scalable architecture found in its latest electric lineup. The 2026 Karmann Ghia comes in two main variants, a single-motor rear-wheel drive version that produces around 250 horsepower, and a dual-motor all-wheel drive performance variant that pushes out 400-plus horsepower. The latter can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.5 seconds, lightning quick for a car that used to be known more for its looks than its speed. The range is just as impressive. Thanks to a 77 kWh battery pack and aerodynamic design, the new Ghia offers up to 330 miles of real-world range on a single charge. Fast charging capability lets you juice it from 10% to 80% in just under 25 minutes, making it road trip ready without anxiety. Regenerative braking is adjustable, and a new, classic drive mode, subtly alters throttle response and sound design to replicate the original air-cooled engine's quirks. It's a cheeky, charming nod to history. Driving dynamics are sharp and composed. The low center of gravity, due to the battery placement, ensures that the Karmann Ghia hugs corners better than ever. The steering is responsive, the suspension is finely tuned for both comfort and agility, and advanced adaptive dampers give the car a truly modern sports coupe feel. Yet, despite its performance, it's still an approachable, easygoing daily driver, just like the original was meant to be. Safety and tech haven't been overlooked either. The 2026 model features Volkswagen's full suite of IQ drive systems, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automated parking, and even hands-free highway driving in specific conditions. The car is over-the-air update capable, meaning improvements and new features can be delivered long after you've driven off the lot. But the real magic of the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia lies in its emotional appeal. This car isn't just about specs or features, it's about a feeling. The way people stop and stare when they see it. The way your heart races just walking up to it. It's one of those rare vehicles that connects generations. Older drivers remember the original. Younger drivers fall in love with the new one at first sight. Volkswagen will offer a range of customization options, allowing buyers to blend old-school flavor with new-school personality. Heritage color palettes like Tornado Red, Racing Green, and Glacier White are offered, along with two-tone paint finishes and polished aluminum trim. Inside, you can opt for vegan leather, recycled fabric, or premium Napa hides. There's even a 1955 edition, with throwback wheels, special badging, and a numbered plaque. And in a move that will delight collectors and enthusiasts alike, VW has confirmed a limited production open-top roadster version. With a fabric roof, additional structural bracing, and subtle design tweaks, this variant takes the spirit of classic weekend drives and elevates it for the modern age. In the end, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is more than just a car, it's a statement. A tribute. A bold step by a legacy automaker to merge history with progress. It's beautiful, it's fast, it's efficient, and it's proof that the past and future can exist on the same road. You're a lifelong Ghia lover or meeting this nameplate for the first time, one thing is clear, this car leaves a mark. Not just on the road, but on your memory.